How to find fault location on a motorcycle, by Motoscan Tab when the check engine lights show on. Part 1. How to read fault codes, by Motoscan Tab 2.7. Hi everyone. This is a FI motorbike that is reporting a fault code, show on the dashboard, the engine cannot start. I will connect the Motoscan Tab to the motorbike to find the faults. On the home interface of the Motoscan Tab, and select Gasoline Engine. Select Honda Manufacturer. Select Find Vehicle automatically, K-Line. Select Read Fault Code function. Motoscan Tab show fault code is 12. Press or click on the fault code is 12 lines, to see detailed fault information. Detailed description of faults. Injector control circuit faults consist of repair suggestions, location of fault components, relation principle electrical diagrams, technical specifications, and full electrical diagrams of the engine system on this motorbike to help you test and analyze as quickly as possible. Part 2. How to determine accurate position of faults by Motoscan Tab 2.7. This is an advanced intelligent function that other tools do not have. I will introduce these functions when fault codes are shown on the Motoscan Tab. Press the right next control button on the screen to continue. Do you want to perform advanced fault diagnostics? Press on the Continue button to follow the required instructions.
Require. Disconnect injector connector. Measure the voltage between positive pin of injector connector and ground. Then press the Continue button to continue.
Note: you need to operate and answer correctly as question from Motoscan Tab.
Answer in question: is voltage higher than 10 volts? Suggestion and repair. Check. Supply power, fuse and power wire plus to injector.
So, Motoscan Tab has found the detailed fault is the power supply fault for the injector. With the electrical wiring diagram on the screen, the problem may be due to the fuse or electrical wires. So it's easy for you to repair it. So, this is the fault location. The cause is an open circuit. We proceed to repair and reconnect the wires. Part 3. How to clear fault code stored in the ECM after repair. After the repair is complete, click to read fault code function again to check it one more time. In the next step, we will clear fault codes stored in the ECM. Press to Clear Fault Code button. The check engine light is off now. Let's start the engine to check. Great, engine can start now. So, you can see the advantage of the Motoscan Tab machine is detailed instructions for measuring, testing, and manipulating, with beautiful graphics, specific and simple. This is an advantage that only exists on Motoscan Tab that no other tool has. Wishing you success with the Motoscan Tab machine. Please like and share this video for many people to know, and also be a source of encouragement for us to make more video clips for your reference. Please watch the next video clip about Motoscan Tab. Goodbye, and see you again.